You keep seeing red light therapy recommended for treating cold sores, and you have no idea whether it's a real treatment or just some other Instagram gimmick that some wellness guru is getting behind. But once you understand what actually happens inside your cells when the right type of red light hits it, you'll know exactly why it works, what makes most devices worthless, and what to reach for the next time you feel that tingle on your lip that a cold sore is coming. I'm gonna show you the biology, I'm gonna show you the results of a study, and why the device that you pick matters as much as the treatment itself. So every cold sore treatment you ever heard of, Abreva, prescription antivirals, lysine supplements, it's trying to slow the virus down after it's actually active. Red light therapy, it doesn't target the virus at all, interestingly. It targets your immune system. I know it sounds like a strange claim, the idea that shining a red light on your skin can change how your immune system works, but here's how it works. When you shine red light and near infrared light on your skin, the near infrared light just means that it's slightly higher than what your eye can see, it's invisible light. It penetrates into your cells and gets absorbed by your mitochondria. Mitochondria is a part of your cells that produces the energy. Basically, think of like the little engines in your cells. And there's a little molecule inside those engines that absorbs the light. Almost think of like how a solar panel absorbs the light or a plant through photosynthesis. Then what happens is your cells start producing more ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which is basically the fuel for your cell. So the more fuel your cells have, the harder immune cells, the immune system can fight against the virus and heal naturally. It's a natural process. You're giving your cells in your body more naturally through light energy to do what it naturally does, but in a superpowered kind of way. Here's why cold sores are notoriously difficult to get rid of, because during an outbreak, the virus actually hijacks your cell's power plant to steal and suck the energy from it to make copies of itself. Red light therapy fights back by boosting your cell's energy production so your body has the gusto and the juice that it needs to fight back rather than losing the energy war with the virus. So does biology hold up in actual studies? In a clinical trial, researchers tested red light versus a prescription antiviral cream and a placebo, just a fake treatment that nobody knows, the doctor or the patient, they don't know if it's real or fake. This is all in the same study. The light therapy group healed in 2.2 days. The prescription cream, this is the actual antiviral prescription cream, took 50% longer than the red light therapy group. The light didn't just match the prescription, it beat it by over a day. Every cold sore starts with what? A sign, tingling, itching, burning, right on the spot where that sucker is gonna form. Doctors call it the prodromal stage. It's just a medical term for an early warning window, and that window is the best time to apply treatment. Red light therapy, strengthening your immune response, your body's ability to fight back, that happens before the tissue damage or the inflammation starts. So when you apply it during that window, it can make the outbreak less severe or shorter, or even on some instances, stop the outbreak altogether. Now, when I hear that someone says they tried red light therapy to treat a cold sore and it didn't work, I totally believe them, but they probably didn't try red light therapy. They tried a device off Amazon that didn't deliver anywhere near enough energy to reach the point where this biology kicks in. But knowing if a treatment works or not, that's only half the battle. You also have to know when to use it, because a cold sore goes through several stages in addition to that opening window over the course of about 10 days if it's not treated, and what you should be doing changes in each one. So in the next video, I'll walk you through exactly what's happening to your skin at every single stage of a cold sore outbreak and healing, so you can know what treatment makes sense at which stage.